God created a pig, right?
Yeah.
Why God would he create this pet and he said it's haram? Nobody eats from him. If you see him, kill him. Why would he say that? Didn't he create him?
As a test for creation. Let me read
Bro,
you. Let me
do
read
it.
you one sec. Let me read you a verse from the Quran. Tell me what you think about it. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Here we go. And the pig, because it parts the hoof and is cloven-footed, but does not chew the cud, it is unclean to you. You shall not eat any of their flesh, and you shall not touch their carcasses. They are unclean to you. What do you think of this verse, man?
Okay. It's in your religion, but when you like your hand
What
get
do you
cut
think
off,
of this verse? It's stupid. Like, why would God do that, right?
yeah, it's stupid actually. Like I'm not gonna lie to you.
It's actually from the Bible, though.
What?
What's going on here? It's stupid. The Bible is stupid. That's disgusting, man. You eat pig? That's nasty.